Some paint colors only work in one room, others can transform your entire home. The difference usually comes down to versatility. Some shades may look perfect in a living room, but feel too heavy in a bedroom. Others may brighten a kitchen but look dull in a hallway. But there are certain colors that designers keep recommending again and again. Why? Because these shades work almost anywhere. They create a sense of harmony. They make rooms feel connected, and most importantly, they make decorating easier. In today's video, we're counting down 10 paint colors that work beautifully in every room in 2026. From soft neutrals to calming greens and elegant designer favorites, these shades can instantly make your home feel more stylish, welcoming, and balanced. Whether you're repainting one room or planning a full home refresh, these colors are incredibly flexible and easy to live with. So if you're looking for paint colors that truly work everywhere in your home, this list is for you. Let's begin the countdown. Color number 10, Melodius Ivory. Let's start with a shade that feels warm, soft, and incredibly welcoming. Melodius Ivory is a gentle ivory paint color with subtle creamy undertones. It's brighter than beige, but softer than pure white, which makes it a very comfortable neutral for everyday living. In a living room, this color creates a relaxed and inviting background that works beautifully with wood furniture and neutral fabrics. In bedrooms, the soft warmth helps the space feel calm and cozy without becoming too dark. Melodius Ivory also works wonderfully in kitchens and dining spaces, especially when paired with light cabinetry, stone countertops, or brass accents. Because it reflects natural light so well, this shade can make rooms feel brighter and slightly larger. If you want a neutral color that feels warm, classic, and easy to decorate around, Melodius Ivory is an excellent choice. Color number 9, Universal Khaki. Next on the list is a color that feels grounded, natural, and timeless. Universal Khaki is a warm neutral that sits comfortably between beige and soft taupe. It has just enough depth to add character while still remaining calm and understated. In living rooms, this shade creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. It works particularly well with natural textures like woven rugs, linen curtains, and wooden coffee tables. In bedrooms, Universal Khaki helps create a restful and relaxing environment. The earthy undertone adds warmth without making the room feel heavy. This color also works beautifully in hallways and entryways because it blends easily with many different decorating styles. If you enjoy interiors that feel warm, natural, and balanced, Universal Khaki is a very reliable option. Color number 8, Chat Room. Green tones continue to grow in popularity, and Chat Room is one of the most versatile examples. This shade is a muted sage green with subtle gray undertones. The gray keeps it soft and sophisticated, while the green adds a natural and calming feel. In living rooms, Chat Room introduces gentle color without overwhelming the space. It works especially well with neutral furniture, light woods, and textured fabrics. In bedrooms, the green undertone promotes relaxation and tranquility, making the room feel peaceful and comfortable. This color also looks beautiful in kitchens when paired with white cabinets, marble surfaces, or brushed metal hardware. If you want a color that feels connected to nature while still remaining elegant and modern, Chat Room is a fantastic option. Color number 7, Cloud Dancer. If you prefer brighter interiors, Cloud Dancer offers a clean and refined alternative. This Pantone shade is a soft off-white with delicate gray undertones. It feels crisp and modern, but never harsh or sterile. In living rooms, Cloud Dancer reflects light beautifully, helping spaces feel more open and airy. It's especially useful in smaller rooms, where brightness can make the space appear larger. In bedrooms, this color creates a calm and uncluttered environment that feels peaceful and relaxing. Cloud Dancer also works wonderfully in entryways and hallways, where light colors help create a welcoming first impression. Because of its balanced undertones, this shade pairs easily with both warm and cool color palettes. Color number 6, First Crush. Next is a color that adds a subtle touch of warmth and personality. First Crush is a soft blush tone with gentle peach and pink undertones. Unlike stronger pink shades, this color remains delicate and refined. In bedrooms, First Crush creates a comforting and relaxing atmosphere. The warmth makes the room feel inviting without becoming too feminine. In living spaces, it pairs beautifully with neutral furniture, light woods, and warm metallic accents like brass or gold. This color can also work surprisingly well in dressing areas or bathrooms because it reflects light softly and creates a flattering glow. If you want to introduce a hint of color while maintaining an elegant and calm interior, First Crush is a lovely option. Color number 5. Batik. Blue remains one of the most universally loved paint colors, and Batik is a perfect example of why. This shade is a muted blue with gray undertones, giving it a sophisticated and calming appearance. In living rooms, Batik adds depth and richness while still maintaining a relaxed atmosphere. It works particularly well with white trim and natural wood elements. In bedrooms, the cool undertones promote rest and tranquility, making it an excellent choice for a peaceful retreat. Batik also works beautifully in bathrooms, where blue tones naturally enhance the feeling of freshness and cleanliness. If you're looking for a blue that feels elegant, balanced, and easy to live with, Batik is a wonderful choice. Color number 4, Creamy. Some paint colors become popular simply because they work everywhere. Creamy by Sherwin-Williams is one of those timeless shades. This warm off-white has soft yellow undertones that make it feel inviting and comfortable without appearing overly warm. In living rooms, Creamy creates a bright yet cozy environment that works with almost any decorating style. In kitchens, it pairs beautifully with wood cabinets, natural stone, and brushed metal finishes. It also works wonderfully in bedrooms, because the gentle warmth helps create a relaxing and welcoming atmosphere. For homeowners who want a neutral that feels classic and dependable, Creamy is always a safe and elegant option. Color number 3, Hidden Gem. Now we move into a color that feels richer and slightly more dramatic. Hidden Gem by Behr is a smoky green shade with deep natural undertones. It's bold enough to create visual interest, but still refined enough to work in many different rooms. In living rooms, Hidden Gem can add depth and sophistication, especially when paired with lighter furniture and natural textures. In bedrooms, the deeper green tone creates a calming and grounded feeling that encourages relaxation. This color also works beautifully in kitchens when combined with white cabinets, warm wood accents, or brass hardware. If you want a color that feels modern, elegant, and connected to nature, Hidden Gem is a striking option. Color number 2, Redend Point. Warm, earthy tones have become a major trend in modern interiors, and Redend Point perfectly captures that movement. This shade is a soft clay-inspired neutral with subtle beige and terracotta undertones. In living rooms, Redend Point creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere that feels both modern and comfortable. In bedrooms, the gentle warmth makes the space feel cozy without becoming too dark or heavy. It also pairs beautifully with natural materials such as wood, leather, and woven textiles. For homeowners who want a color that feels warm, stylish, and slightly unique, Redend Point is an excellent choice. Color number 1, October Mist, and finally, we arrive at the number 1 paint color on our list. October Mist by Benjamin Moore is a soft sage green that has quickly become a favorite among designers. This color captures the calming feeling of nature while still remaining elegant and sophisticated. In living rooms, October Mist creates a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere that feels modern yet timeless. In bedrooms, the gentle green undertone promotes relaxation and balance, making it perfect for a restful retreat. It also works beautifully in kitchens and dining areas when paired with natural woods, light stone, and soft neutral decor. If you're searching for a color that feels calming, versatile, and effortlessly stylish, October Mist is one of the best choices for 2026. So there you have it, 10 paint colors that work beautifully in every room in 2026. From warm neutrals and elegant off-whites to calming greens and sophisticated blues, these shades prove that the right paint color can completely transform the feeling of your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more paint color inspiration and home design ideas. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these colors would you try in your home? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.